Joslyn Clark's 5M65 is a normally open and normally closed auxiliary contact block accessory kit for NEMA size 00 to 5 contactors. These are for field installation, for AC control applications, with Joslyn Clark's 5000 Space Saver Series AC contactors for motor, heating, and other power circuit switching applications, or DC control applications, with Joslyn Clark's 5DP Definitive Purpose contactors designed for DC adjustable speed drive circuits, as well as the 7400 series mainline reversing or accelerating contactors for DC motor starters and controller applications. In any case, Joslyn Clark aims to save you panel space for your contactor and accessory mounting through a simple, compact design. Shop now at Galco.com.